got all the tools, like the nair, like get up in there. Well, no, I don't know. So he can like shine out or whatever.
But he was doing a fantastic job with the back airs.
Yeah, he was.
Falco off. And he got him a 3-0 over Axe.
Oh, they're hopping right into it.
Oh, wow. No hand warmers.
At first, it kind of looked like one, but then...
Goodness. Plup hits him with a dirty gun punch early. And it's just been an edge guard for last 10 seconds. Okay. Ellis makes it back. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
I was worried that he was just going to get hit once and just die and not give any damage. But anyways, he's back. Lands a meaty fair. Stomps him.
Yo, he's answering back with some percentage, though. Like
the one-frame link when you would bounce off the ground and like tumble and stuff, or you would have to tech. There's one frame where you touch the ground. If you get stomped on that one frame, it's a stomp. You're just in the air and you're getting kneed, I guess.
getting whatever.
Yeah, anything. Deep throw onto platform and nair. I've never seen that from Samus. I guess I don't watch enough Samus. Alright. Plup is working them off the stage. Gets hit while edge guarding.
Oh, that was scary.
Bad tech chase.
Almost rolled into it. Yeah, don't be telling me Blackhawks won during a match.
Don't tell me this, please.
Oh, they do. 5-3.
Fantastic spacing from Ellis with that fair, outspacing the neutral air. But Ellis is definitely behind.
He's getting worked on.
He's definitely getting worked on. Ellis is trying to come back. Wow, I did not know Mario could recovery backwards from the upbeat.
That backwards. He snapped that from way far away too, man.
Thank you, PMDT.
The magnet brawl hands.
Okay, up air. Down throw onto the platform into tech chase is just
that would've been
one
so
of my
dirty.
favorite things now. Oh my god. Wow, Plup is just mean. He's getting him to the stage and he's like, alright, I'm just going to stand under this platform,
Yeah,
edge guard you for
working on it.
20 seconds at a time. You're just going to keep taking damage. I don't care. I'm winning. And how optimal Samus's have to be because of their slow moves is...
Oh, is that a crawl to
Yes.
death?
Yes.
Crawl to kill?
I thought I was seeing the taunt. I'm pretty sure
Yeah, he did. He switched to ice.
He's switching modes. I don't know what it does.
It essentially changes your forward air, up smash, down tilt, forward smash. It kind of like reverses them. To where
Interesting.
forward smash and up smash kill. And like the down tilt and forward smash kind of just like, they have like multiple hitboxes.
Oh, okay.
Like linger out or whatever.
And Ellis, the past 10 seconds, have been swinging for the fences with those fairs.
It also makes your missiles faster, but a little bit weaker.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and he's
Good ledge hog.
steals the ledge.
Rolls on the stage. The classic. Yeah, I have no idea what maps are legal, so I can't really say anything about
Pretty
it.
much the whole two bottom rows, and they get 2 bans.
Interesting. Okay.
Which is kind of weird, because like I was saying earlier, all the stages they're kind of like very similar. So it's like, do I want to play this version of the stage or this version of the stage?
Oh, they just disappear in front of Plup. Plup is unfazed, doesn't even choose to shield. He's like, yeah, that's not going to touch me.
Yeah, I know the spacing. What up?
Mario tries to D-throw up air. That does not work on Samus. Remember, kids, you can't combo Samus. It's not possible
Unless you're Falcon.
Unless you're Captain Falcon. Then you can just forward air 3 or
Do
4
whatever
times.
you want.
Or whatever you want.
A couple up airs, me.
The custom combos. Good edge guard. Ellis off to a good start. Plup is doing a great job keeping Mario off with tilts. Wow. He got a conversion off of a nair that knocked him down, and then he did down tilt. What in the world?
Yeah, Ellis is putting in some work right now. Just tacking up that cheap percentage.
Ellis is just a reverse B, or reverse fireball.
Yeah.
Really good, except for that last time.
Except for that last one.
Commentator's curse. Wow. I did not know the fireball actually destroys missiles. Good choice with the down tilt from Samus. You waffed. That ain't so good. Oh my goodness. Deep throw there, just combos? PMDT. Please. Thank you. Samus needs to die somehow. Samus is pretty good. I've had some top players tell me that Samus was at least top 5 or top 10. I don't know about now.
Everybody has that opinion though. Like, there's like new broken characters every week, man.
This is true. This is very true. Thank you, base PMDT. Talk to the hand.
Destroys it, man. Like,
that's fine. Stay off my stage. Just sticks out in there. Mario trying to look like Falcon out there. Up air to up air, but gets punished very swiftly. These nairs.
Just goes out there, dude. But Mario's got such a good recovery. Like.
And then he pops the craziest nooch. Oh! Oh my goodness. What a back air.
Sneaky ass back air.
These legs. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay. All these people leaving mid-set, man. So Ellis evening it up.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah. Wow, Plup has turned this around. His edge guarding has been very impressive.
He's so good, man.
Takes a clean 2-0.